Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this collection set from Pokemon cards. I picked that up the other day because I thought, why not? We haven't had a look at that yet, so I was kind of, yeah, spontaneous and picked it up. So let's dive right in there. I did not really pay attention what kind of sets we have in here for booster packs. I did like the promos, and there's also a jumbo card if I saw that right, which I don't really care too much about. But yeah, if you're someone that likes them or collects them, yeah, definitely there's one in here. And yeah, let's dive right in that. So let's open this up and first check out the promos. Also, there's a code card which you can use if you want to. So here's our first promo, which looks pretty sick in my opinion, liking the swirls and the holographic framing. Also, the artwork is kind of cute, which gives it all in all really decent and nice touch here. So put that to the side. Then there's the code card as promised. Pick that up if you like. And then we have the EX, which looks pretty cool. I like the colors and the little blue splashes on the bottom. And then there's also the jumbo card. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't really care, so throw that to the side. So, we got Warring of Time, 2 packs. Then we got Lost Origins, which is interesting to see. That's a pretty old pack. And Paradox Rift. So that's what we're getting. And I would say we dive right in there. Let's start with the Warring Time and finish with one of them and see what we can actually get. I think we haven't pulled any Warring Times yet on this channel, so that's also exciting. Here's the code card for you guys, and let's see what we can pull. So we start off with a Leaf Energy, then we got the Silicates, and also Evolution, yes, I guess here, Lepinator, and just a holographic. So nothing too exciting in case you didn't know or you took a break from Pokemon cards with the newer sets. Okay, the crypt looks super weird. What the hell? Why is it so short? Also Field Sob. And why the M, isn't that like a different color normally? Yeah, see, that's red. Or is that just because that's the older set that they changed that? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, so the new sets, they have 2 reverse holos and a guaranteed holo in them. So, okay, that feels super weird. I'm really confused what's happening here. Oh well. Let's just see what we can, that's also interesting how that opens. But I don't see any glue or anything here, so, huh. I'm super confused. Super confused. Yeah, why is that opening up like that? That's weird. I don't know. Oh well, whatever. I mean, hmm. So here's the code card for you guys. Um, so let's just throw a 3 to the front. I think that's what it is. No, maybe it's 4, right? Whatever. So, Machoke. Um, where did I stop? So, yeah, the old sets also have the yellow frame, which I do kind of miss, not gonna lie, especially with the water Pokemons like we just pulled. I like the yellow and the blue combination, but yeah, whatever. That's not coming back, I guess. So yeah, let's hope we actually get some hits though. So code card, 1 to the front. The newest sets always have 1 to the front, which is also nice. And then we got Mousehold, nice. Um, some other cards, and let's see if we actually get something out of this. So reverse into holo. So no hits at all so far, which is unfortunate. So let's dive right into the last pack. Let's hope that there's something in here, or maybe we did got somewhat scammed, but not necessarily. I mean, you can have unlucky packs. One booster pack was kind of off, but whatever. So let's see if we can actually pull something. First, reverse, 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 and okay, we got at least one EX, which is okay, nothing special, nothing too exciting. So yeah, probably not worth picking up this time, but still I'm happy. I like the promos, and I will see you around at the next one.